What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to give you the best digital marketing tutorial courses out there right now that you can start today and start learning how you can master digital marketing or online digital marketing today. All right. But just a disclaimer, I'm not making any promises. The results that you see in the programs I'm going to promote to you is not a guarantee, is not a promise that you will make money, because I don't know you. I don't know if you're going to actually take action, or you're just going to continue watching videos after video after video, and just continue to consume product and content rather than produce content, right? So, watching people promote different products that you can use, and watching people make money and get leads and get some results in their business does you no good if you don't take action. Okay. So the two courses that I'm going to show you today to teach you and to show you how to learn digital marketing, basically they both provide digital marketing tutorials. However, they're at different price levels, and some of them have different resources available to you, more than just digital marketing. But for the most part, you can learn from these two courses how you can start your own digital marketing trainings, or your own digital marketing agency, or just, start with the digital marketing, how to create your own brand and business online, right? So I am in both of these programs, and I have used both of them. I have went through the trainings, not all of them, most of them. So the two programs that I'm referring to are Easy One Up, easy1up.com, and the 4% group. Okay, I'm in both of these programs. Both of these programs have really strong founders. So here's Peter here. He was in the Marine Corps. And then he got out of the Marine Corps and went to the restaurant business, but now has been on the digital marketing space for a while now. And then the 4% is Vic Stryzus, this guy here. Let me go to the home page. Vic is a very talented, transparent, and just an overall legit guy. I mean, he's just, you can really relate to him. Okay. So let me start with easy1up.com. Both these programs, Easy One Up and the 4%, are two programs where you can really learn a lot on how to start with digital marketing, right? Getting that digital marketing tutorials. Okay. Both programs offer video case studies and video step-by-step instructions on how you can get started with digital marketing. So let's start with Easy One Up. So Easy One Up here has different levels of membership, right? They have Elevation, they have Elevation Elite, they have Vertex, Vertex Elite, Vertex Pro, and Vertex Live. So that's 6 levels within easy1up.com that have multiple modules and digital marketing tutorials within them. Okay. The highest level, as you can see, is a Vertex Live version. It costs $2,000 to get these trainings, modules and tutorials, right? But you get a buttload of information, a buttload of content and tutorials and training that you can start consuming today, but not just consuming, take action with them. Okay. For example, this highest one here, it teaches you how to maximize ClickFunnels, which, if you don't know ClickFunnels is a very, very lucrative way that you can start scaling your business and capturing leads to where then you can start marketing to free traffic, right? 10K blueprint, drop shipping, the complete IM strategy, the digital marketing lifestyle, Amazon affiliate profits, right? I'm currently at the Vertex Pro level, right? So I have access to all of the zero cost traffic, membership authority, social media authority, recurring business models, Instagram marketing, email marketing blitz. So all of this, plus everything under the Vertex Pro level I have access to. All right. So it's a lot of training, a lot of content that you have access to with Easy One Up. Okay. But the one thing with Easy One Up that right now the 4% does not have is you can come in at different levels. So the lowest level is $25. And then you have the $100 level, the $250 level, $500 level, $1,000 level, $2,000 level, right? But one thing that Easy One Up has is you can earn while you're learning digital marketing. While you're going through all these tutorials and modules, you can learn by promoting this product to people, saying, hey, I have learned so much with this product. I recommend if you're trying to start your own digital marketing business or looking for a great digital marketing tutorials out there, I think you should sign up to this program, and you make commission based off who you sign up under you, right? So you can earn while you're learning digital marketing with Easy One Up. Okay. Check out Easy One Up in the link in the description. You'll see it. It'll say check out Easy One Up. And it'll be a link in there that you can sign up under me. And if you sign up under me at the Vertex Pro level, right, at this level here, I'll pay for your first 100 clicks. Okay. That's just my gift to you to help you succeed and propel on your online space and to reach your goals in the digital marketing space. Okay. So now the 4% is a great course in digital marketing tutorials that you have multiple resources, right? So some of the programs that are in the 4%, and some of these are free programs. Okay. One thing that Easy One Up does not offer, they don't offer any free programs. So you have Internet Traffic Mastery. This is not free. You do have to pay for this. Traffic Generation Strategies, SEO Mastery, Insta Traffic Mastery, Facebook PPC Secrets, Fan Page Domination, List Building, eStage. eStage is basically where you create your own site, you create your own blog, your own kind of internet, your own personal website where you can kind of leverage and do anything you want to with it, right? eStage Academy, Ecom Entrepreneur, Wealth Building Blueprint, Irresistible Influence and Persuasion, The 5 Laws, Taxes and Business Structures, and an Irresistible Offer Blueprint. So all of this comes with the 4%. Now, it does not cost anything for you to join the 4%. However, some of these programs do cost. Okay. One thing I did skip was the 4% challenge. Now, I took the 4% recently. They went through a reorganization with the 4% challenge. Before they did that, I took the 4% challenge. Like if I go to my dashboard here, you'll see that I don't have access to the 4% challenge now because they changed it up. But before they did that, I went through the challenge, and the challenge is this step-by-step, very detailed and in-depth training where Vic Strizheus, right here, the founder, he shows you step by step what you need to do. Like he's in an office. I mean, yeah, it's hours long of training. I mean, well, not hours long, but there's videos that are in depth. And he shows you on his screen how to, where to click, when to click, how to link your autoresponder to ClickFunnels, and then ClickFunnels to your thank you page and to your offer, right? How to draft emails through your autoresponder so you can broadcast them, right? He shows you all of this in depth, how to set up your digital marketing business step by step. Vic this program is strong. This program is for someone who does not know anything about the not retail space, the digital marketing online space. So this tutorial is really strong. Now, the 4%, I suggest that you go through the challenge. Okay. The challenge is $497. Okay. I'll also have a link in the description for the 4% challenge. You can start, this today. So here's Vic right here. I mean, he's a cool guy. I'm telling you, he's the real thing. He's the real deal. You can check out this page right here. Just check out the link in the description where, you can get access to this. Listen to Vic, see if you resonate with him, and then sign up for the program. It is $497. So it is kind of a higher price, ticket. If for you, maybe for others, it's not, because you're investing in your own business and learning digital marketing, right? And having all of these digital marketing tutorials at your footsteps. Okay. So you can start the challenge now today, and just start getting going. read the testimonials, even go to Vic Stryjuice fan Facebook fan page, the Vic Stryjuice or the 4% fan page, and you can just join and see other people and really talk to them. Like, I mean, this is not like some paid person. Go and talk to these people on the fan page, but check out the 4% group. That's in the link in my description below. So that's the 2 courses, guys. Those are the 2 courses that I really suggest that you can, check out today and get started. EasyOneUp.com. Okay. And then you also have the 4% challenge. Okay. Like I said, both of which will be in my links in my description, but you have to get started. You have to take action. Stop just watching videos and start taking action today, guys. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions about either one of these programs and courses, let me know. But digital marketing right now is a way to go. Online marketing is the way to go to make passive income and start creating that life that you want. All right. There's no excuses. You're the only thing that's holding you back. Right. So, like I said, so as far as digital marketing tutorial, EasyOneUp.com and the 4% challenge. Okay. So check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Talk to you later.